welcome back to our online class. Today for our class, we are going to practice a topic, and of course this is very common and this is very familiar topic, and it is about missing letters or missing vowel. As most of the words are actually dealing with vowels, so we can name it as missing vowel or missing letter, as the letters are mostly about vowels. Okay, so there are few there are few words that I thought that's very much important and very common for you. And though there are a lot of words in your active English book or in your EFT book as well, but for your comfort zone, or to make you comfort with the words, I have collaboratively collected it in a in the same row. Okay, so this all are not enough for your exam, but still for your better practice I gathered this few words at a time, or in a same page, so that it helps you, so that you can feel comfort with the words. Okay, so let us see what the words are. See, in missing letter, today we are going to practice missing letter. A word will be given, some or not a word, some of the words will be given, and you have to put the specific letter that is missing in the word. Okay, so first one is C dash A T. What can we put? If I put C, E, no. If I put A, no. If I put U, that doesn't make any sense. So if I put O here, this is coat. Do you know what is coat is? Coat is a type of wearing, especially that is used in winter season. And then number 2 is C-T. If I put I, T, does it make any sense? No. But if I put C-O-T, cot, do you know the word cot? Yes, cot means a kind of small bed that is used for the babies. Okay, that means a baby cot. So now some of you can question that, means what if I put A in the gap? Okay, it will also be the right one, because cat means it makes a meaningful word, and that is cat. Cat means a kind of pet animal. Then if I put pot, pot, it becomes a kind of water bearing jar. But what if I put pet, pet, pet? Okay, of course it also makes a sense. Then d dash sh, what does it look like? do, no. de, no. But if I put I, that makes a new word, and that is dish. What is dish? Dish is a flat thing that is basically used for serving food. So then top, top. Do you know what is top? Yes, is a kind of game tool. If I put a, will it right? Will it be right? Of course, because it makes a new word, a meaningful word, and that is step. If I put u here, sun, 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 yes, it makes a sense. But if I put s dash n, and if I put the o here, it becomes son. This son means the male child. Okay. Then dash mbrella. So which of the vowels you have to put here? E, umbrella, no. I am, no. Umbrella, no. But if I put u here, the vowel u, it becomes umbrella. Umbrella means a thing or a tool that is used for monsoon. Then vin, vin, no. But if the v becomes b, bin, bin, it makes a sense. But here it's not b, it's about v. So vin, no, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't have actually any meaning also. Then van, yeah, it becomes a meaningful word, that is when, a kind of vehicle. Then q dash ilt. If I put a u here, it becomes quilt. Quilt means a coverlet. Okay. or you can also reside also, you can it also have another meaning, that is reside. Then R dash T, if I put A, it becomes name of animal, that is rat. C, it's the most familiar one, and it is cow. You don't need to have any clue also. KITT dash N, if I put any O, no, it doesn't make any sense, it doesn't exist also. If I put U, no, but if I put E, it becomes K. So next one is T dash P. If I put here A, it doesn't mean anything, no, but if I put U, then it becomes tub. Okay, tub means a bathing tool, a round thing that is used for bathing. And W, so it doesn't need any clue also. Without any hesitation, you can put A here, then it becomes water. Then the next one is TUVEW dash double L. But if I put here an E, then it becomes tube well. Tube well, again a still point of bearing water. Then XR dash Y. I know you can sense it will be a here, and that means X-ray, and basically X-ray used for diagnosing or to diagnose any health issues. Then Y dash KE. It's the new one for you. See, if I put here O, it becomes EO. See, it's not yolk. Okay, the earlier you read about yolk, it's not like that, it's yolk. Yolk means YOKE. It means actually a cross woods, a piece of cross woods that is used over the neck of two animals, okay, for the cultivation basically. Then Z dash BRA, if I put E here, it becomes an animal, that is zebra, the street animal. And without any question or hesitation, you will put O here, because you know very well what does it mean. It is moon. Then the last one is T dash GER. If you put U, does it make any sense? No. If you put A, does it become any new word? No. If you put E, again it actually doesn't exist any word like tiger. But if you put I here, then it becomes a name of animal, and it is tiger. Okay, so these were some of the words. These are collected in on the same page, but this not enough for you. There are a lot of words both in the Active English and EFT book, but still for your comfort zone, I have twisted this all words in a part. So hope you will practice writing this word along with this spelling, because if you are not aware about your spelling, you can't actually put the correct vowel or the correct letter. Okay, so hope you will practice these letters in your home, and along with this, please try to go through the some more new words. Okay, on the next class we will meet with a new one, and till then, take care and stay well.